Okay, Facebook, I'm giving another update because it's snowing even harder now. I don't know if you noticed in the background, but there was a big tree line that we could see, and now we can't. The snow's coming down harder. I would say we've probably got about, well, here, look at my stairs. My footprints have been almost completely filled in. I'll go down here and real quick and, whoa, look at this. So, yeah. Oh, damn. This is, it's gotten a lot deeper. Look at the ground. I'm like buried. Okay, I'm sticking my hand in. Okay. Ow! Okay, it goes up a little, farther than my wrist there. But anyway, so we've got about 7 inches. Maybe going on 7.5, 8, and it's coming down harder. So I hope everyone's staying home. Talk to you later, YouTube.